Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Solution Platform. Let us look at Solana. Solana, a high-performance blockchain platform. 1. Introduction. Solana is a decentralized blockchain platform designed for high-performance decentralized applications, dApps, and crypto projects. Launched in March 2020 by Anatoly Yakovenko, a former Qualcomm engineer, Solana aims to address scalability issues associated with many blockchain networks, providing a fast and cost-effective solution. 2. Key features. High throughput. Solana is known for its impressive transaction throughput, capable of processing thousands of transactions per second, TPS. This is achieved through its unique consensus mechanism, proof of history, POH, and other optimizations. Proof of history. POH. Solana's POH is a cryptographic clock that provides a historical record of all transactions before they are added to the blockchain. It helps in achieving high throughput by eliminating the need for nodes to communicate their transaction order. Low transaction costs. With its efficient design, Solana aims to keep transaction costs low, making it an attractive option for developers and users. Dynamic sharding. Solana uses a technique called dynamic sharding, which enables the network to scale horizontally as the number of nodes increases, maintaining efficiency and speed. 3. Consensus mechanism. Proof of stake, POS. Solana primarily utilizes a POS consensus mechanism. Validators, who hold SOL, Solana's native token, are chosen to produce blocks and validate transactions based on the amount of SOL staked. 4. Native token, SOL. Utility token. SOL is the native utility token of the Solana platform, used for staking, transaction fees, and participating in network governance. 5. Solana ecosystem. dApps and projects. Solana has attracted a diverse range of decentralized applications and projects, including DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and gaming applications. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Various DeFi projects, such as Serum and Radium, have been built on Solana, offering decentralized exchange services, liquidity pools, and yield farming. NFTs. Solana has gained traction in the NFT space with marketplaces like Solable and Metaplex, providing a platform for artists and creators. 6. Challenges. Network stability. While Solana is known for its high throughput, it faced challenges related to network stability in the past, with intermittent outages and disruptions. 7. Upgrades and roadmap. Continuous development. The Solana team is actively working on continuous improvements and upgrades to address challenges, enhance security, and further optimize performance. 8. Community and partnerships. Active community. Solana has a growing and active community of developers, validators, and enthusiasts contributing to the ecosystem. Strategic partnerships. Solana has formed strategic partnerships with various projects and organizations to foster development and adoption. Regulatory considerations. Adherence to regulations. Solana, like other blockchain projects, operates in a space with evolving regulatory considerations. Compliance with regulatory standards is crucial for its sustained growth. 10. Conclusion. Solana has positioned itself as a high-performance blockchain, offering solutions to scalability issues that have challenged other platforms. With a focus on speed, low costs, and a vibrant ecosystem, Solana continues to attract developers and users seeking a fast and efficient blockchain solution for their decentralized applications. As the space evolves, Solana's role in shaping the future of blockchain technology remains noteworthy.